In today's adventure, we're down in Arkansas, detecting an amazing mountain waterfall.
I'm Karen. And I'm Michelle. And we're two sisters metal detecting. We find treasure in the most unusual places. Michelle and I found this amazing, very remote, very primitive campground in southwest Arkansas with a lovely waterfall. Of course, we couldn't resist metal detecting in it. What we found in the water might just surprise you. Try that one.
Are you still getting an 11? 12?
Oh, it's bouncing on 11, 12, 14, 13, 7, good. Now I got it in goldfield mode. Come to the edge of this rock, I think. This big one right here?
Yeah. Let me hear it. You want to try and pull it up?
I'm gonna try.
You want me to or you two?
You want to try?
Sure, I'll give it a try. I took my rings off and put them in the dashboard.
Okay, so right under the middle part?
So just pick this thing up?
Yeah,
If I can? And I can't? Okay. There's something wrong with Penny.
Yep, that's it right there. Yeah, you got a penny!
Yay!
Okay, throw that down and lift your hands off, and then you can tell me what year it is. Good job.
It's got a
It's a memorial.
memorial.
So it's older than 2020.
Yeah, this water isn't being very kind to it.
All right, you gotta go.
Yay! It was a penny! A penny. There is the penny. Another deep one?
Yeah, this says it's 10 inches down.
10 inches.
Yeah.
Are you up to the challenge?
I don't know, for a penny.
For a penny?
Yeah.
It sounds like a penny. Here, let me just take...
Oh, I'll need that in a minute.
Yep.
I'll have to do the pinpoint on it because it's that deep. And here's bed right here, so it can't be that deep.
Oh.
So, okay, let's do the pinpointer with the notes on.
What are you getting?
Right there. That's a pinpointer. So that one is, and it was a 40.
You want me to take it?
40, so it's right under this rock again.
Here, I'll take this.
Right in front of this rock.
A penny?
Penny.
All right.
That's it.
Excellent.
Okay, so this one's a 24-25 signal, and we will try to get this one out of here. See if we can pinpoint it first. Sounds like it's be about right there. We'll see. That's a nice rock right there. It looks like it's too deep for my pinpointer, so we're going to try digging a little bit.
Too deep for the pinpointer.
Too deep for the pinpointer. You can just hear the grind of the rocks in here.
Must be very deep. You got 2.
It's still probably several inches down now.
Yep, right there. A little bit past it too. Up there it is.
Yeah.
It looks like a nickel. It is a nickel.
Yep.
It's an old Jefferson nickel.
Very cool.
Doesn't it look like it's got a mint mark?
What are we up to, like 9 cents now or something?
Something like that, yeah.
We'll put that towards gas.
It's so funny.
The waterfall and creek yielded only spendables, and the water was a chilly 50 degrees Fahrenheit. If you plan to go detecting in a remote area like this one, a solar-powered boondocking vehicle or a 4-wheel drive with a tent is essential. Come fully prepared with food because the nearest grocery store could be over 10 miles away on a gravel road. You can see a complete review of our campground with location on Michelle's YouTube channel at Michelle Elliott. While in the area, a visit to Crystal Vista, a family-friendly, free quartz crystal mine, is open to the public and will not disappoint. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoyed this video.